Guess who got their camera back?
Nice.
Because I forgot it in Glacier National Park.
Hi, I'm
JP. And now that I got my camera back, time to take a long weekend out to Denver for Labor Day weekend, which I was originally planning on going home, but I found a flight from Minneapolis to Denver for $38. So heading out to Denver over the weekend to catch up with a couple of friends and enjoy the weekend. So once I get to Denver, my friend Pete will be picking me up. So the only thing left to do now is 1, take off. Step 2, land. And then the bonus step 3 of trying to find Pete. There he is. What's up? How's it going, my man? Oh. All right, day 2.
Let's get it.
Gonna go chill by the pool for a little bit, and then, do we decide on going hiking for today? Do some hiking, and I know, got a lot of friends coming in town. He has a friend coming in town. I got a friend coming in town.
Yeah, full house.
It's gonna be a full house. So we'll see what type of mischief we can get into today, and here we go. Ping pong. Gosh dang it. Alright, let's go to the pool. Do it.
Oh, wow.
Save a horse, ride a unicorn.
This is living. This is the...
Alright, picked up some friends. Say hi, Val. And most importantly, Eddie. And now, going up this mountain there, going on a little hike. And it's hot. It's real hot. So, get right to it. Hi, Poochie.
Hi.
What a beautiful hike. We lost the dog. We lost Belle. Oh, we made it. We made it. We made it to the top. Baby's tired. Help me close out the vlog? Help me close out the vlog? Come on, buddy. Alright. Got done hiking and pretty much just chilled the rest of the night. So the only thing left to do is go back to good old Iowa and catch my flight first thing tomorrow morning. So until next time. Anything to say, Eddie? Got anything to say? Alright. Until next time.